here. Red onions underneath and sliced zucchini on top. These are just sliced zucchini and zucchini strips. Then sliced eggplant, the Chinese eggplant I bought recently, but you know, as I always say, produce I wash, cut, and put in the freezer. So this is probably not a good idea. It's probably going to release too much water, but anyway, this is an experiment. I have some leftover honey roasted turkey, so there's just a little bit here, so I will put that on top. Then I'm gonna add shredded what do you call that, shredded Parmesan, then shredded Mexican cheese. I'm going to cover the whole thing because the cheese is going to be the binder. The cheese is supposed to hold all this together. So let's see how it goes. I added thyme, basil, and smoked paprika. You cannot go wrong with smoked paprika. How beautiful is this? Now the cheese. I'm gonna be very generous with the cheese. I decided you could never have too much cheese. So, and on top, I added dry cilantro, dry basil, and more chipotle pepper. Chipotle pepper powder. And that's what we have. Now it's going into the oven, 350 degrees, until all the friends are happy. To do its thing, again, this is an experiment. We could call it vegetable lasagna. There's no tomato sauce and no dough, no pasta, whatever this is. So we'll find a name for it.